In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up expense tracking on Expensify. We'll walk through creating a manual expense from start to finish, so you can easily track your spending and keep your records organized. Once you're logged into Expensify, start on the main dashboard. Look for the plus sign, usually located toward the bottom or side of the screen. This plus sign is where you create new items in Expensify, so go ahead and click it. When the menu appears, choose the option labeled Create Expense. This tells Expensify that you want to add a new cost that you'll be tracking manually. You'll now see different ways to create an expense. In this case, select Manual. The manual option is ideal when you don't have a receipt to scan, or you just want to quickly log something like a fee or a simple purchase. After selecting Manual, click on Next to move forward to the expense details screen. Here is where you start filling in the information that makes this expense meaningful. First, add a clear description. This should briefly explain what the expense is for, such as monthly subscription fee or project supplies. A good description will help you quickly recognize the expense later and make your reports easier to review. Once you've typed in the description, click Save so that this detail is stored. Next, you'll add the merchant, which is who you paid. Click on the merchant field, type in the name, and then click Save. Keeping merchant names accurate is especially helpful when you need to check spending by vendor or reconcile statements with your bank or credit card. After that, it's time to categorize the expense. Click on Category. You'll see a list of categories provided by your organization or by Expensify. From this list, select Fees. This is a good fit for things like service charges, processing fees, or similar costs. Using the correct category is important because it affects how your spending is grouped in reports and budgets. Once the description, merchant, and category are all in place and look correct, click on Create Expense. This finalizes the entry and adds it to your list of tracked expenses. To review or track this new expense later, go to your inbox within Expensify. This is where you'll see the expense you just created, along with any other items that might need your attention, such as approvals or reports. And that's it. You've successfully set up expense tracking for a new manual expense in Expensify.